People that live here in historic Mission Hills pretty much never leave, and we're about to show you why. Today's property tour is a real treat. But before we get into this beautiful 1922 Craftsman bungalow, we got to talk about where we are. This is the historic Arnold and Choates district of Mission Hills, and it's not just in the historic district surrounded by other craftsmen and Spanish colonials all built in the 20s. We are only 2 blocks from everything you could really want to do here in Mission Hills. You're right around the corner from Izakaya Maza, from La Puerta, from Lefties, from Fort Oak, and a ton more. Let's go check out 4144 Ibis. Come in and check out this home that truly represents the best of both worlds. We have every bit of historic charm from 1922 that you could ask for, including these original hardwood floors, the beautiful wood burning fire and surround, original moldings, but the sellers have really updated the home as well. For the one thing, they've taken care of the crusty old cast iron plumbing under the house and replaced it with fresh ABS. Believe it or not, this home still had the old knob and tube wiring in the attic spaces ready to set this place on fire. Our sellers have addressed that too. The fireplace was not working when they got it. It is completely refreshed and ready to burn your wood logs in the winter time. And that's not all. As we move into the kitchen here, they've completely remodeled this as well, including opening it up to your beautiful dining room with chandelier over the dining table. The new backsplash, the fresh modern appliances make daily life easy. As we move through the dining and living room into the hallway spaces, we find something that simply didn't exist before our sellers got here. A half bath. This was originally a 1-bathroom house, but that just wasn't very functional for any modern family in this day and age. So our sellers took care of it. We now have a perfect half included, as well as the primary that has spacious living space. We've got a king-size bed in this 1922's cottage. I mean, how many homes this old can you fit this kind of space in the primary bedroom? And as you move in, you've got a great bathroom to go with it. As you can see, just about every room this house has is exposed to bright natural light flooding in from the outside. Something that you won't be able to see is the newly added whole house fan that helps you out in the once or twice a year when you might feel a little warm here in Mission Hill. Moving through the living room again and out to the back patio, we have this fantastic brick stairway, but our sellers also wanted to add some better entertaining space. We've got a great new entertaining space with this Trex deck that is going to be durable for a long time. This nice bar where you can barbecue, keep your drinks cold, and entertain your friends. Period correct with whimsical touches like the lights with vines going along them and the paver walkway to another storage space on the backside of your property. This house just bleeds charm at every place that you look. Believe it or not, garage space is not a given here in Mission Hills, and we've got a proper 1-car that has been finished off, insulated, and electrified so that in case you don't want to put your vehicle in it, you can use it for lots of other things. As we go through this flagstone pavers filled by lush greenery and another brick patio to match out front, we have additional storage space for whatever you may need before we get to the utility area just off of the back door and kitchen. The updating didn't finish there though. Our sellers have new fence work, new rain gutters. They expanded the driveway with flagstone pavers. And there's a lot more that I didn't have time to tell you about today. If you love historic homes as much as we do, give this video a like. And if you're interested in this property or anything else here in Mission Hills, send me a message and we'll get connected. Look forward to talking to you soon.